So it's that time of year again already. Wetherspoons Spring Real Ale Festival 2023. So it's walking up this hill. So yeah, so there's one beer on at the moment according to their app. We'll go down and see what's on. Sometimes it does vary slightly, so see what happens. Hello and welcome then to another Wetherspoons Beer Festival. So got the pamphlet that starts today, Wednesday the 22nd. So there's going to be a few of those. We'll see how many I can do this time. If I can get to about 20 out of the 30, I'll be quite happy. But it is what it is, depends what's near you, what, you know, all that sort of thing. So first up then, this is a beer from Oakham Ales out of Cambridgeshire. And this is their, where is it? Buck Up. I've gone for a pint because it's the only one on tap, so, and it's a black IPA on cask. Coming in at 5.2% ABV, looks jet black in the glass. Kind of just a slightly off-white, slightly creamy looking head. Very smooth looking beer. It's brewed with Cascade, Simcoe and Summit. Brewery established in 1993. Before they moved to Cambridgeshire, they were in Oakham in Leicestershire. So let's get a nose on this then. I know this was on cask yesterday. There's been one or two places that have actually started a little bit early, but so it's a light coffee. Obviously, like a baker's chocolate thing going on. Slightly roasty. I'm trying not to sniff it up my nose. Anyway, let's give it a try, see what it's all about. So cheers. Quite a nice roasty bitterness. Slightly dry. Very smooth. Yeah, definitely a drying black IPA. It's got a hint of like a red berry component going on in there. Maybe like red currant or something like that. It's got a little bit of that edge going on. So far, not bad at all. Try and get a proper aroma this time. Yeah, red berries. It reminds me of it's like cocoa powder on the palate. Well, it's got that kind of little bit. It's not like that, of course. So that'd be too dry, but it would remind me of that. Slight caramel. Definitely coffee, but only a little bit. Nothing crazy. Nice roastiness. Quite well balanced actually, not too bad. I can't remember if I've ever had a dark beer. I probably have had a dark beer from Oakham in the past, but I've certainly never seen a black IPA from them, so I was quite eager to give this a try and see what it's all about. I did gamble and go for a pint, but I'm glad I did. There's even a lovely lace in there, well conditioned. I'm at the my local Wetherspoons, the Royal Victoria Pavilion, if you was wondering. What does it say then? Let's have a look. This is a black IPA, citrus aroma leading to predominant roast caramel and coffee malt flavours, balanced by a generous helping of fruity hops and dark berry notes. Definitely getting pretty much all of that. Citrus, maybe lurking underneath, but it's more kind of getting taken away by the roasty toastiness of the malts. Berry component, as I was saying, that's quite obvious. Coffee, kind of I wouldn't say it's a dark, just a baker's chocolate, straight up baker's chocolate. But yeah, overall really nice way to start it. So that's Oakham Ales Buckle Up 5.2% black IPA, or Cascadian Dark Ale, just to wind people up. So look out for this one over the next few days. I say this runs until, so this is the first day, the 22nd of March to Sunday, the 2nd of April. So got a little bit of time there. So yeah, let me know what you think if you've had it before. Give us a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.